here's the truth for you. Budgets are really tight at the moment, and I know there's a real pressure to grow and generate leads, but if you simply don't have that budget, then what is the other option? And that's where LinkedIn comes in, because you don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of pounds doing cold outreach or sending those spammy DMs that we hate to grow your business. And I promise you that. I've grown my own business by over 40% in year 2, and that's just by using the free version of LinkedIn. And if you join us in this community, I'm going to teach you exactly how I did that so you can do it too. And I know for a lot of people, LinkedIn feels like a bit of a mystery, or, you're not sure how to make it work. But don't worry, please, because you're genuinely not alone. And that's exactly why I've created the LinkedIn Revolution community. It's not just another community. It's a space, a safe space where you're going to get insider tips, and you're going to learn how to use LinkedIn in a way that makes sense. You're going to make real connections with people who are on the same journey as you, and we're all going to win together. There's 2 options for you to join. The first one is called our networking workshop pass. And with that one, you can use this once to just come along and try our face-to-face or online networking sessions, with just the one-off cost of £15. And you can take part in a 30-minute LinkedIn workshop that I will be running personally. And you'll walk away with a ton of actionable insights that you can start using straight away. Or the second option, which most people are going for, is the all access pass. Now, this one is awesome. So this gives you everything. So monthly networking, face-to-face and online. You get to do the 30-minute LinkedIn workshop, again, either face-to-face online with me, and I'll be running both of those live. And you get full access to the community where there's downloadable documents, and everything that I tell people about LinkedIn goes in there first before anywhere else. So you'll be first to hear it. And really, this £20 a month is all you need to spend on marketing if you take on my tips. So yeah, come in and join us. If you go all access, you're also going to get a copy of my book, The LinkedIn Revolution, because that's going to guide you along the way. So why wait? Please come and join us. You can cancel at any point, but I know for a fact that when you're in there and you start using this community, you're not going to go anywhere, because you're going to see the impact it's going to have on your business. So I will see you in there, and thank you.